everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Easter Totem in FAST. So in this latest FAST update, FAST has a new event for the Easter event, and at this event you can get the special totem that called Easter Totem to increase your chances to when fishing at this Easter Island to get more the special event fish. And to get this totem, it's very easy. Just go to the Easter Island like this, and then just meet the NPC Bunny Helper. That you can meet him near the shops, and then just talk to him, and then next just tap on few shops, and then in here you can buy the Easter totem that it costs 1,000 Easter coins. And to get the Easter coins, you can just fishing around this island until you get the 1,000 coins, and you can buy this Easter totem. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.